My hair look okay?
Yeah.
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Welcome back to another episode of On Our BS.
So we three.
Yeah.
So this is 3 times now.
Three times, yeah. Dan is actually taking charge of this On Our BS because he came up with the topics. And it's actually his birthday. Yeah. So if you are watching the vlog and coming here, his birthday already passed probably. So happy birthday.
Yeah, it's a little different. I don't know if I'm feeling down about the birthday.
Damn, what is going on this year with us? Like my birthday, I kind of felt like.
But I'm okay with that. That's kind of what I wanted to make a toast with. Like,
okay, so let's kind of talk about what we drinking tonight. What we drinking?
This is Lisa's bottle of.
Yeah, it's my bottle, but we open it up on your birthday.
Rosé Moet.
Okay. So this is the Moet.
This is the one that I
Rosé.
usually drink for New Year's. They actually have another rosé one. I don't know. I just went in the store and I was kind of like...
What was the name of it? I don't think you ever said it on the vlog.
It was Rosé Moet too, but it was just a different bottle or something.
But it has to have some... What is the other one?
I gotta look again, but I was like, yo, I don't know which one it is. I don't know that one. I want to go with what I know.
Do the honors? I took off the foil. You do the popping honors.
Right,
Got
so
some glasses
hopefully we
here.
don't
wake him up.
excite this kid anymore.
Oh, he's actually sleeping now. Again, if you watch the vlog, you know that he was trying not to sleep.
I think he knows his old man's birthday, so
he
just
knows.
like, yo, turn up time, bro.
Ready? You really let it go?
Yeah.
You're supposed to hold on to it.
Yeah, if you don't let it go sometimes.
And these are rosé glasses, right?
So these aren't champagne flutes, but
They're
they
not,
came with
but they
like
came with the rosé, no?
they came with one of those.
The Christmas ones, the Christmas.
No, it was actually. It was So a lot of cheers are always, or like toasts are always like, you know, to happiness and all of that stuff. And there's nothing wrong with that. I definitely gonna want to do one of those later today when we get up. But I wrote down 2 different toasts, and one was something about like your invisible audience and like trying to be with them. And just a while ago, when I was feeling like, I was like, do I feel down? I'm not sure if I feel down. I don't know if I feel somber, or if I'm just like thinking about the birthday and what I want to be different and whatever. And I thought I'll make a toast to being unhappy. And it sounds crazy. I'm not saying I'm unhappy right now. I'm saying a toast to being unhappy, because
it's okay
we're always
unhappy, you know?
we're always trying to be happy. We're always told not to be unhappy. I have a friend who's leaving work right now because she's not happy with what she is experiencing, and I'm happy for her, seeing that place, that where we work, I like it, you know, so far.
But you're happy that
she realized that it wasn't good for her,
yeah,
for her mental health,
yeah.
And she wasn't happy
Yeah.
with what was going on, and she's out of there. And of course, in nursing, there were people doing the whole like, where you gonna go? This place is better than a lot of other ERs, as if like she had to stay in bedside ER or whatever. And I was just like, yo.
But if you're unhappy, know when to.
So realize when you're unhappy, and sometimes you gotta be unhappy because you gotta find what's gonna make your change. It's not one of those cliche like, oh, it's gonna motivate you. But like, if you don't have also unhappiness at some point, your happiness does not, you know what I mean? Like, if you could always experience your high, you will never have a contrast, and your high just becomes like, it's just normal. So I think it's healthy sometimes to explore what you're unhappy about. It doesn't. I'm not saying stay there, be sad, be depressed, but admit when you're unhappy and be okay with that, and hopefully it'll lead to.
It's safer to be unhappy and be confident in your unhappiness than wearing a mask of happiness and inside.
Oh yeah.
I know I'm getting a little emotional about that, but
it's better to really to be real about being unhappy than to fake being happy or pretending to be happy, like she's saying, you know, because it's unhealthy and it doesn't do anything.
It really is a hard thing to do.
And it's the first step.
And all that.
What do they always say? The first step is admitting. So if you never admit that you're unhappy, then you're always going to be in that perpetual state. It's going to catch up with you at some point too.
Yeah.
I know too many people that I feel like they're always in this perpetual state, and like if you try to like rant to them, or you try to like not rant, you try to vent to them, they're kind of like, yo, just be happy. And I'm like, no, sometimes you have to be unhappy.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean? Like, yo, if that roller coaster doesn't dip down, you can't really enjoy when it goes up.
Okay, so cheers to being unhappy.
Yeah. Strange cheers.
Yo, you're allowed to toast whatever you want to toast.
Yeah.
So, my cheers to you is happiness. But in this state, it's okay to be unhappy. I don't want you to continue in that state, but it's always good to, you know, like, that's why I always say my birthdays are like times of reflection. So again, if you didn't watch the vlog before, my birthday was 10 days ago and I was feeling unhappy. I'm still kind of processing some things right now, but you know,
I think this might be just uncertainty. That. We're watching a lot of things. I think we're both like trying to be logical about what we're doing in the housing market and all of that, but also trying not to like jump and do something beforehand, because you know what's gonna happen is you're gonna do it, and then once you make a mistake, that's when everybody come out like, why you did that? Yo, I could have told you not to do that, but I didn't say anything until you stepped in the you know what I mean? Like, so it's that battle. It could be that. It could just be something as simple as like, I think my wisdom teeth are coming out again and kind of shifting my teeth, and I feel like it's grinding my teeth together, and it's just making me maybe a little like, I don't know, ornery, grumpy, whatever the word you want to use is, but
ornery?
Yeah. Why people always make that word sound so perverted?
I don't know that word. That's why I'm saying ornery. Can you spell it?
Hell no, I can't spell it. You know, if I had to spell every word that was in my vocabulary, I'd have like no words in my vocabulary.
There's words that he uses that I'm like, where'd you get that from? I'm like,
it's mostly old words. It's not even like a super intellectual word. It's just a really old word.
Ornery. I like that word, ornery. Ornery.
Okay. Yeah, like.
All right, boo.
She don't want to do it all of a sudden. Now she don't want to do the whole
cover it up.
Peace, love, and nappiness or whatever.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.